Alrighty, so here are the throttle bodies that I need to adjust right here. So they are a flathead tip. It's kind of like a weird angle. One, two, three, and four. Zoom. So it's not too terribly at a weird angle. Zoom in on that. There we go. Well, it might be tough to get to if you put the earbox back on. Being if I should put the earbox back on, well, I should. But this makes it a whole lot easier to adjust because it's right here. I can just put an angle bit in here and then just go at it. Otherwise, I'll have to come in through here. It's just going to be a pain in the butt from the side. Yeah, that will not be a good fit through there. Yeah, so that's where they're located.